I'm going to create a scheduled job for this report. However, it's going to create a report for each of my territories, Asia, Europe, and North America. To do that, I'll need the batch scheduling option. Now, before I do that, let's just do a little bit change to my chart, my spline chart here. I'm going into properties and I'm going to work with the title. I'm going to use the advanced text editor. And some fixed text here, data 4, and then I would like some dynamic content to go in after that. And the dynamic content should be coming from that specific dimension, the customer territory dimension, this one. Okay, and you can see as I do that, it'll just tell me that I'm actually looking at data for all 3 territories right now. Alright, I need to save this one before I set up the scheduled job, the batch scheduled job. I can do that now. So let's go here and add a scheduled job for this report and the delivery. Let's just put it into a folder on my shared folders, output folder. I got a batch folder that I created for that purpose right here, so it's currently empty. And let's then set up the batch option. Enable batch processing, and then I need to tell the system that it should batch across these 3 dimension members in my customer territory dimension. The destination is what I set on my delivery tab. If these names were actually email addresses, I could send it out directly to the email address by using this option. Or if I had email addresses associated to these members as so-called member properties in the data warehouse, I would be able to use the last option. Anyhow, let's just click OK here. So I created the scheduled job. It's sitting waiting right here. If I right click and run now, we'll just have to wait for that one to complete. And there it is, it succeeded. We can close the dialog. We can go to the shared folders, the output folder, the batch folder. Maybe you'll need to right click and refresh, but otherwise we should be able to see the output. So we can see we got 1 report per territory. Opening the Europe report here, you can see it's data for Europe. And if we close this, you can see it's of course different data for North America.